Hey guys, I am back in Japan. I was just in Japan in March this year, but I'm back. I landed in Haneda about 4:20 this morning, and then I walked around a little bit, had some sushi for breakfast, and had Italian food for lunch, and then we walking around the Ginza area, went to a Sony store. I visited a Nissan showroom, and then they had some cool cars, Skyline and stuff. So that was fun. I also went to a wine shop and then bought wine. So I got this one, so I'm gonna have some wine a little bit later this evening, and I have until tomorrow morning to finish it up, because I'm gonna take a flight to Matsuyama tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon to see my parents there and then travel a little bit, and so that'll be fun. So after spending the night in Tokyo, I met up with my parents in OZU. I flew from Tokyo to Matsuyama. My parents flew from Osaka. We met up at the airport and drove to OZU, where there was a little castle, and then we stayed at a hotel, like old Japanese buildings that they had turned into a hotel. Nice little hotel, not really little, but it's yeah, they have nice food and rooms, and then rooms were traditional Japanese houses with some modern twist to it, and then yeah, I loved it. And then we had a little breakfast on the boat.
はい、夜やってるのは鮎がもう寝てる時間なので、そこを無理やり焚き火に起こして動きが鈍いところを狙うんですよ。木造で4階建てって今建築基準法上出てないんですよ。これ今復元20周年になってるんですけど、一つだけ条件をクリアすると建ててもいいっていう。
That was cool too. It's quite a little nice town. Weather was great, and we flew back. We flew to Kyoto after that, and then spent 2 nights, 3 days. My parents just left for home. I am staying another night in Kyoto to spend some time with my friends. But yeah, we had a great time, and I'm glad to see my parents doing relatively okay. So after spending a few days in OZU and a few more days in Kyoto with my parents, just spent some time with my friend in Kyoto. I came back to Tokyo, saw some friends. So I have been hanging around in the city, try to go to one coffee shop that I wanted to go to, but it was so busy I didn't do it. But as always, I've been eating too much, so my stomach is a little bit upset, but that's okay. It was great to be able to see my parents, my friends, and so we've been having a great time, and then can't wait to come back. So I think this is from Japan. See you later. じゃあねー。